Good morning, everybody. BA Economics, Economics of Growth and Development. Topic: Objectives and Importance of Amartya Sen's Approach. In this session, we are going to deal with the important objectives and importance of Amartya Sen's capability approach. The main contents of the session are objectives of Saint's capabilities approach and importance of Saint's capabilities approach. Objectives: functionings are being and doings, that is, various states of human beings and activities that a person can undertake. Examples of the farmer are being well nourished, being undernourished, being housed in a pleasantly warm but not excessively hot house, being educated, being illiterate, being part of a supportive social network, being part of a criminal network, and being depressed. Examples of the second group of functionings, that is, the doings, are traveling, caring for a child, voting in an election, taking part in a debate, taking drugs, killing animals, eating animals, consuming lots of fuel in order to heat one's house, and donating money to charity. From these examples, we can draw a couple of observations. First, these examples indicate that many features of a person could be described either as a being or as a doing. We can say that a person is housed in a pleasantly warm house, or that this person does consume lots of energy to keep her house warm. Yet other functionings are much more straightforwardly described as either a being or a doing. For example, being healthy or killing animals. The second observation is that the notion of functionings is a conceptual category that is in itself morally neutral. Functionings can be univocally good, that is, being in good health, or univocally bad, that is, being raped. But the goodness or badness of various other functionings may not be so straightforward, but rather depend on the context and or the normative theory which we endorse. For example, is the care work of a mother who is caring full time for her child a valuable functioning or not? A conservative communitarian normative theory will most likely mark this as a valuable functioning, whereas a feminist liberal theory will only do so if the care work is the result of an autonomous choice made against a background of equal opportunities and fair support for those who have duties to care for dependents. Capabilities are a person's real freedoms or opportunities to achieve functionings. Thus, while traveling is a functioning, the real opportunity to travel is the corresponding capability. The distinction between functionings and capabilities is between the realized and the effectively possible. In other words, between achievements on the one hand and freedoms or valuable opportunities from which one can choose on the other hand. Now let us move on to the importance of science capabilities approach. Human development is conceptually founded on the capability approach and looks to application. Human development used science phrase that the objective of development is to expand capabilities and simplified it to expand people's choices. The language has changed in the definition but not the objective, whereas there are significant conceptual differences between human development, human resources, HS, Millennium Development Goals. There are not such differences with the capabilities approach. In this way, in this particular session, we had learned about the objectives and importance of Amartya Sen's capabilities approach. Thank you, one and all.